Okay, today we're here at Farmer Boy. Does this say Farmer Boy anywhere? Right here. And I went to try some of their new items. So this is the fish box. I think that's all they call it, fish box. So they have a 2-piece and a 3-piece. So I got the 3-piece. Okay, so it comes with a drink and fries, and then they gave me a couple of tartar sauces and some just ketchup. So they don't give you any like malt vinegar, and they did give me a lemon. So I'm gonna squeeze it. I'll squeeze on one. Oh, is it? These are pretty large pieces. So I got 3 of the pieces this size. Let me open this. Well, let me try it without that first. Nice and crispy on the outside, and the fish is well cooked. It's really hot. They must have just made them. Okay, this is the tartar sauce. The tartar sauce is very tangy. They don't call theirs fish and chips. They just call it fish and fries. I think because we're in America, right? Yeah, this one's really good. I like the fish here. Okay, let me try some fries. So they are pretty thick. Not quite as thick as like steak fries, but thicker than like McDonald's fries. Fries taste pretty good considering they've been actually sitting here for like 10 minutes while we set up. And then the drink is whatever you like. I got iced tea. Yeah, this fish is really good. And let's see, this is $11.99 for the 3-piece, not the 2-piece. So that's pretty good for 3 pieces this size. And fries and a drink. So let's see. I think I'll give this one an A. The fish tastes really good. The tartar sauce and everything tastes good. And the prices seems to be a pretty good price too. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.